Hello guys, it is your best friend Smiley here, and today, this is actually part 15 of me playing Natural Disaster level on my old account, and I actually changed my avatar. Now I'm not a bacon anymore, and anyway, the first map is Rocket for Flying. Oh my god! We haven't done this map in any single part. Oh my god, Rocket for Flying, let's go! Anyway, yeah, I changed my avatar so it's not considered a bacon, So obviously, I'm gonna make, yeah. I don't need to be a bacon no more. Okay, it's a sunny disaster, so it's gonna be something. It's gonna be something other than, what is it, like, earthquake? If the towers are just gonna fall into the ocean. Okay, yeah. Okay, disaster's taking forever, so it's gonna be something good. Tsunami, let's go! Oh my god. Oh my god, welcome back, Tsunami. Oh my god, welcome back. Oh my god, it's been a while since we had a tsunami disaster. Oh my god, welcome back, Tsunami. I haven't seen you for a while. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, yeah, I'm just gonna say again, welcome back. Back. Oh, 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 R.I.P. Sour! R.I.P. Sour! No, I died! Oh my god, I died. Dude. What the? How does that person do that? How did that person just walk? Bro just walked on anti-gravity. Bro just turned on anti-gravity mode. Oh my god. Anti-gravity mode? Anti-gravity mode. I think people survived the tsunami. Oh my god. Yeah, anti-gravity mode. How was that possible for that person just to do that? Okay, there's another hacker, another flinging one. One of them's just normal, one of them's flinging. A flinging one. Anyway, the next map is going to be Roblox HQ, alright. Roll. Yeah, I'm joining another server. This one's too boring. I hate this one. Just joining another one because that was a flinging one. That was just the subject of flames. Okay, let's try this one. Okay. Ooh, we got a thunderstorm. With the same map! With the same map that we started in! Oh my god, we're on the same map that's how we just started in? That is epic! Thunderstorm and Rockish Refinery. Oh my god. Someone just got flamed. No, absolutely flying. And guys, rate my avatar 1 to 7 in the comments, please. Rate my avatar. Yes, oh my god, Rockish Refinery. We just started on this, and then I got Rockish Refinery with the tsunami, and then when I turned it on the server, it had this map. Rockish Refinery. Oh my god. Dude, the tower's not collapsing. Can it just collapse already? I want to take a fall in the ocean. I want to watch it go fall, like, go into the ocean, okay? Whoa, it's literally hitting some... It's literally just hitting the tower, taking, like, itty bitty, like, bits off it. Alright, 10 people survived. 10 people survived the thunderstorm. Epic. Epic. Anyway, the next map is going to be Rainbow Ride. Welcome back. Oh my god, it's been so long. It's been like a while. And it's an avalanche. Oh my god, I was on the edge. Oh my god, I was on the edge of the mountain before getting. Oh my god. What an epic save. I'm definitely putting the epic save into the title. Oh my god. When I said next, this is actually the last map, by the way, because, and guys, the reason I had to stop, the reason, the other days when I had to stop doing this, the reason was, mic problems and burst electricity. Avalanche, avoid the path of the snow, okay. Okay, it's time to say goodbye to this Ferris wheel that's about to get hit by the snow blocks. The avalanche. Oh my god. Oh my god! No! Wait, no! Oh no, I died! Oh, I got caught in one now! Oh my god! Well, that's gonna be for today's video. Oh! Well, that's gonna be for today's video, guys. If you'd like to drop a like, and make sure to like and subscribe for part 16, and I'll see you guys later. Bye!